Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla. You can watch, decide, and ride. Welcome to our detailed breakdown of the new First Manufacturing Turbine Leather Jacket, available at RevZilla.com. This is the Turbine, new for the spring of 17 from First Manufacturing. Now, if you're new to First Manufacturing, they make premium leather jackets that are basic, and they typically save you some coin. This Turbine is their full perf option, done in a waist length, more cafe option, and ultimately it's coming in close to the $200 mark. We really don't see a lot of other manufacturers that are using a more premium feeling 1.0, 1.1 mil grade cowhide come close to this. It's actually a quite nice feeling jacket. The leather is better than you're going to expect. Now that being said, the rest of the jackets is a bit no frills, but keep that in mind. You're not getting a ton of branding. It actually doesn't come with armor, but there are armor pockets. You can add CE rated armor from First Manufacturing for 20 bucks after the fact, so a little bit more of a modular setup. And here in our Turbine, think about 2-season hot weather riding, late spring, all summer, early fall. Again, full perforation scheme, and the liner is going to be mesh as well. Now, if we look at it, one color available. Again, you have High-Vis Brian rocking it out, 6 foot 195, 42-inch chest. He's wearing a size medium. Now, I call that out as a size medium, and I'm going to call it out as more of an American cut. It's a little bit slimmer than some of the other jackets, but it's still going to fit in the range of an Olympia or an Icon, right in that ballpark. First Manufacturing, though, needs to fix their size chart. At the time of shooting this video, today, we're looking at the size chart. It would put High-Vis Brian as a 42-inch chest for his height and weight in a size extra small. Incorrect. So when we look at the First Manufacturing size chart, if you show up on that size chart, go up 2 sizes. Or if you really want to get it perfect, give us a call. 877-792-9455. Talk to a gear geek. They will walk you through the sizing and make sure you get it spot on. And ultimately, you're going to get a really nice feeling leather jacket that does the basics extremely well, has a great hand to it, is going to save you some coin. As always, we'll ship free over 39 bucks. And most importantly, I'd love it if you click our logo, subscribe to us at RevZilla on our YouTube channel, leave me your comments, your questions, your feedback on the Turbine here. Now, if we dive back into the Turbine, notice you do have your banded collar. It is a small banded collar. It doesn't need a snapback. This is a fully perf leather that's going to ventilate extremely well. Again, with that interior mesh liner as well. Notice big YKK zips. They could have gotten clunky. They could have done leather pulls on these. I like that they didn't. They just kept it simple. And again, these are just basic pockets. So on the chest here, you do have basic pockets where you can put whatever you need to put in there. Again, they're not going to be mesh backed. Hammer pockets down along the sides. And if we look at the sleeves here, notice along the bottom, it's just basic. This is meant to be a very basic leather jacket. We were surprised to see 1.0 mil grade cowhide, again, with their naked finish coming in around the $200 mark. This jacket does not feel as premium as the Defender or the Enforcer in the First Manufacturing line. But again, it still feels much better than you typically see, even at the $250 or $300 range from some other manufacturers. Turn and face that away. If High-Vis Brian raises his arm, you're going to see the gusset along the back, increasing your range of motion. Remember, it does not come with any armor. You'd add the First Manufacturing CE Armor Pack, which gives you a CE shoulder, CE elbow, and forearm. Again, for around $20. It does come with a foam back pad, though. It's not going to be CE rated. And as you work your way down to the hip, you do have basic adjustability. Turn backwards for me. Now, the back side of this jacket, it will take that armor. Remember, you're going to have to go to something like that force field to upgrade it. Big, clean panel. There is no jeans loop. I'd love to see them add jeans loops, but come back around to the front for me. The big theme here is the trade-off. You could spend $300, $400, $500, $600, you spend $800 on a shot, or you spend a couple $100, get a solid, basic, plain leather jacket to be your staple in hot weather riding times of the year if you're just looking at something that looks clean and works on the bike, off the bike. And that's really where they've come out of the gates on this. It's really a value for dollar play. And if you're not used to hearing the name First Manufacturing, I'll tell you they've been around for 30 years with the tannery, with their own manufacturing. They make a lot of jackets for a lot of other manufacturers, and now they're actually going dealer direct. Interior, you have your Napoleon pocket, and on this side, you can put a gun. Yep, you can put a gun there. There's a gun, holster, that's a pocket, concealed carry pocket. Take it for face value. Zip back up. Now, keep in mind, we've talked about the value for dollar. You have an understanding of the leather, what it will or won't do. It's not the most technical jacket we've ever seen, and you have to add your armor after the fact. But all in, there aren't many jackets that come into this price range that give you a jacket like this. So keep that in mind. The next step in your journey is click the info button, your desktop, your mobile device. Visit the product detail page at RevZilla.com. Read other rider reviews of the First Manufacturing Turbine. You shouldn't just take my word for it. As always, we'll ship free over 39 bucks. If you want to talk to a gear geek, see us at RevZilla.com, 877-792-9455. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown. Subscribe to us at RevZilla on our YouTube channel. Stay up to date with our opinion, the latest and greatest in the moto universe. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.